back to my channel. Today we're gonna make chicken stir fry. It is glazed with a beautiful sticky, sweet and spicy honey ginger sauce. I love Chinese food, so this stir fry is inspired by Chinese recipe. I hope you like it. Let's begin. Step 1. Marinate and fry the chicken. I took very conventional ingredients for our marination. I'm using chicken thigh because it tends to stay juicy and moist. But if you want, you can take chicken breast too. To marinate, I'm gonna use red chili powder, ginger paste, soy sauce, cornstarch. Cornstarch gives a protective layer outside, also gives a velvety soft textures. Now add 1 egg. Now mix everything together and set it aside for 10 minutes. Now I'm gonna fry the chicken. You see the nice little bubble on our oil, so it's ready to fry. So add our chicken one by one. Make sure you don't crowd the pan and they have enough space on the pan. Fry it until it turns golden brown. If you want to avoid frying, you can always put it in the oven or even use your air fryer to fry them. Step 2. Cook the chicken in the gravy. For this, we will need oil 2 tablespoons, soy sauce 2 tablespoons, vinegar 2 tablespoons, ginger finely chopped 2 tablespoons, chili garlic sauce 3 tablespoons, honey 3 tablespoons, and dry chilies. Vegetables, I'll keep it very simple. Red bell peppers, onion, and some green chilies. Now heat up the pan and add the oil. Once the oil heats up, add the red dry chilies. Now add the finely chopped ginger. If you don't like spicy, when you add the red chilies, just add the skins and take out the seeds. Now we will add our chili garlic sauce. Now we will add our soy sauce and the vinegar. Note that I did not use any salt in this recipe, but if you want, you can add some salt as per your taste. Now we will add our honey. Honey is most important because it gives the caramelized effect on our pan. At this point, we will add 3 tablespoons of water and cook it until our sauce is thickened. Now add our onions and bell pepper. Let it cook for about 1 minute. Then we will add our fried chicken. Mix them properly. Now cover the lid and cook it for 2 to 3 minutes. Wow, it's smelling so good. The aroma of the ginger and the smoky red chilies making me hungry. Now add some green chilies just to garnish. Look at the beautiful, bright and cheerful color of our dish. It can make anyone happy. It's such a simple dish, yet packed with layers of flavor. The delicious, sweet, sticky and spicy honey ginger sauce just makes it perfect. I hope you like this dish as much as I do. Thanks for watching.